Let's take a quick look at Harmony One. This is the daily chart for Harmony One, and the data I have is 2:09 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 6th. Harmony is doing really well today. It actually trading in green, up about 3%. Currently trading at 28.7 cents on a day that Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin are definitely in red. Bitcoin right now is trading below 43,000. Or down about 1.15%. And as long as Bitcoin does not crap out, I do expect to see the uptrend continue until Harmony One retests the all-time high at 40 cents. Harmony broke out of consolidations around August of this year, then went on this massive bull run where it ran from about 6 pennies all the way to 40 cents. After that, there was this pullback. The price dropped all the way down to about 16 cents, where it found support right at this 200 days moving average. And after that, started this reversal in price that we've seen. The price ran from about 16 cents to as high as 34, then dropping back because of the drop in Bitcoin. But the minute it tested the 10 days moving average, we are seeing buyers stepping in, and the price is stabilizing right now. Also, while Harmony was trending down, or as part of this pullback, it was setting up an inverted head and shoulder. As you can see, at this point, it dropped to about 23, establishing this left shoulder, and it bounced up to about 34. This is the left neckline, and then the pullback right at about 16 cents. This is the head, bounce up to establish another neckline, and then we see another pullback where it completed the right shoulder. And after that, the price reversed, crossed over the 50 days, the 10 days, and then the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. So technically, Harmony is on its way up as part of this breakout of the inverted head and shoulder. So the target should take Harmony to about 40 cents, where it would likely retest the prior high. And there's always a chance that the momentum could push it a lot higher than 40 cents. So I have a very high degree of confidence that the uptrend would continue, and we will see Harmony at the all-time high very shortly. The reason being is this is an inverted head and shoulder. And if we examine the volume when the price broke out consolidations and ran up, volume pickup. But during the pullback that created this left shoulder, volume dropped off drastically. So this is a very bullish side. It is an indication that even during the pullback, there are very few sellers. It's just a normal retracement. And the price bounced up to establish the left neckline, volume pickup. Then again, we have this pullback where Harmony formed the head, volume drop off. Then a rebound in price where it formed the right neckline, volume pickup. And then the pullback to form the right shoulder. As you can see, very low selling volume. And the minute the price rebound and broke out of the neckline, volume pickup. So this is an extremely bullish indication. As long as Bitcoin stabilizes, there's no doubt in my mind that Harmony would continue to trend higher. Another thing is looking at the moving averages. After the 10 days cross over and drop below the 50 days, we have this pullback. But since then, the 10-day reversed direction, and now it is leading the 50 days, and the trend is definitely upward. So this is a very bullish indicator. But one thing we have to keep in mind is this: all altcoins, including Harmony One, will react according to how Bitcoin trend. So if Bitcoin somehow continue to retrace, there is a good possibility that we could see Harmony retrace and test the neckline again. But I do expect it to bounce right back up the minute it tests the 50 days, and the uptrend should continue. So in the short term, there's always that possibility that we could see Harmony retrace and drop to as low as 23 cents again. But it should bounce back up and continue this uptrend again. So I am very bullish with Harmony One, and I am aggressively accumulating every time when the price retraces. Another thing I want to show you is like looking at the 4-hour chart. What's really impressive here is yesterday we saw this major drop in price due to the crash of Bitcoin. But today, as you can see, the price bounced up on strong volume. So what it's really telling me is there are buyers waiting in the sideline. And the minute they see the price retrace, they just step right in and scoop up these tokens. So there's no doubt the momentum is very, very bullish. If Bitcoin continue to retrace, major support would be right at this area, which is around 21 to 23 cents. I do expect Harmony to bounce up after that. In terms of the major resistance, it right at around 33 to 34 cents. I expect Harmony to continue to trend up as long as Bitcoin stabilizes and test that, cross over that, and continue its way to reach our target price. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.